Welcome to Travel Master, the channel that helps you master the tools for smarter, smoother travels. Imagine landing after a long flight, tired and jet-lagged, but instead of hunting for a taxi in a chaotic queue, haggling over prices, or worrying about scams, your personal driver is already waiting right at arrivals, holding a sign with your name. They greet you warmly, help with your luggage, and whisk you straight to your hotel or destination in a clean, comfortable vehicle. No surprises, no extra charges, just a fixed price you knew in advance and total peace of mind. That's exactly the great experience thousands of travelers have with Kiwitaxi every day. It's a reliable airport transfer service operating in over 2,000 cities and airports worldwide, from major hubs like Paris CDG, Bangkok Suvarnabhumi, or Cancun, to smaller spots everywhere. You get professional drivers, meet and greet service, child seats if needed, and 24/7 support. Prices are fixed and often cheaper or comparable to local taxis, especially when you factor in the convenience and no hidden fees. Many rides include free waiting time for flight delays. The driver tracks your flight and adjusts automatically. Whether you're traveling solo, with family, or in a group, Kiwitaxi makes arrival stress-free so you can start enjoying your trip right away. Today, we're walking you through how to book your first ride and get started. It's super simple on their website. To begin and grab a welcome discount on your first trip, click the Kiwitaxi link in the description below. It helps you save while supporting the channel. Let's jump in. Open your browser and go to kiwitaxi.com, or use the link in the description for your discount. On the homepage, you'll see the main booking form right at the top. Firstly, enter your pickup location in the From field. This is usually the airport name, like Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, or your exact hotel/address if it's a return transfer. Now proceed to enter your drop-off in the To field, your hotel, city center, or another airport. The system instantly shows available options and fixed prices for different vehicle classes: economy, comfort, minivan for groups, premium, and more. You'll see passenger capacity, luggage allowance, and estimated ride time. Pick the one that fits your needs. For families, choose one with child seats. For groups, a minibus. Then click Continue or Book Now. Next, select your date and exact pickup time. For airport arrivals, Kiwitaxi recommends calculating based on your flight landing plus time for customs and baggage. They show suggested times. Add your flight number so they can monitor delays automatically. Fill in your details: name, email, phone number, and any special requests like child seats or extra luggage. Proceed to payment. They accept credit or debit cards and other methods depending on your region. Prices are prepaid and fixed. No surprises later. Once confirmed, you'll get an instant email with your voucher and driver details. In My Bookings on the site, after a quick sign-up if you haven't, you can track everything, view vouchers, and contact support. Speaking of sign-up, it's optional to book, but creating an account lets you save favorites, track rides easier, and manage future bookings. To sign up, click the profile icon or log in or register, usually top right. Use email or social login, Google or Facebook, verify if needed, and you're in. It's quick, takes under a minute. Pro tip: book at least 16 to 24 hours in advance for standard vehicles, more for premium or large groups, to guarantee availability. That's it. Your first Kiwitaxi ride is booked, and you'll arrive relaxed and ready. Don't wait for your next trip to be stressful. Use Kiwitaxi and experience the difference. If you haven't already, click the link in the description to sign up or book now and get your welcome discount on that first ride. It's the easiest way to save. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Travel Master, and turn on notifications for more travel tool guides every week. Comment below. What's your next destination? I'd love to hear and maybe cover transfers there next. Thanks for watching. Go out there and travel smarter. See you in the next one.